Hello everybody, today we are going to make a hair serum at home which is going to help you out in 3 ways. First thing, it's going to help you out with your hair fall if you're facing any hair fall issue. Second, it's going to hydrate your hair if you're somebody like me who has exceptionally dry hair during winters. It's going to help you out. Third, it's going to add a beautiful gloss to your hair, the kind of shine you want during this festive season. So let's get on with it. So to make this hair serum, all you will need is about half a teaspoon of black tea. If you do not have black tea, you can also use green tea. Now if you ask me whether the tea is flavored or not flavored, it doesn't really matter. Just use any tea which is in your house. Half a teaspoon of that. You're going to take 2-3 sprigs of coriander. Yeah, my coriander is a little limpy because my mom is trying to air dry them under the fan. I have no idea for what, but I'm going to use 2-3 sprigs of coriander. I'm going to use some glycerin. Now glycerin I'm using, why? Because I have dry hair. If you do not have dry hair, you can skip it. However, if you notice, most of the hair serums available in the market, they have glycerin in them. So I'm going to use about half a teaspoon of glycerin in my concoction. And then I'm going to use some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is great for hair and it smoothens out, it gives that finish, it gives that glow. So I'm going to use a little bit of aloe vera gel. But what we're going to do is, to start off, in a half cup of water, we're going to boil these two things. That's the black tea and the coriander. We'll boil it for say about roughly 2-3 minutes and then leave it in the hot water for a good hour and two. Once we get that concoction, then we will, once it cools down, we will add half a teaspoon of glycerin and about a teaspoon of aloe vera to it, and then mix it up and then put it in a spray bottle. So let's go there. So there I have my concoction ready. This is just black tea and coriander boiled. I left it alone for an hour or two just for it to infuse all the nutrients from black tea and the coriander. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of glycerin to it, and I'm going to add in some aloe vera gel. About half a teaspoon. So now just mix this up and start using this. If you want, it's optional, but if you want, you can add in some essential oil as well, and just to add that, a good fragrance to your hairspray. So here's the serum, which is absolutely prepared. I've mixed up everything, the glycerin and the aloe vera as well, and now I'm going to apply it on my hair. There you go, the hair serum is ready. I've applied it all over my hair. I'm going to show you how it looks after it dries out. This is a very effective hairspray. Do give this a shot and let me know in the comments below if it has worked for you. It works for me. It's my winter staple, go-to serum during winters. So please check it out, try it yourself, and let me know if it works for you. Until then, bye.